Well, I'm glad that this printed out fairly decently since my printer is running out of colored ink. I have some ordered. So what is the domain? Well, the domain is all real numbers. You can see the arrows going in both directions. What about the range? Well, 0 to infinity, and includes 0. So be very careful about that. Include versus exclude. This would include 0. X-intercepts, there's only one, and that's 0, 0. That also happens to be the y-intercept. Now, intervals increasing. So remember, these are x values. So if I'm looking at increasing, I'm going to draw that in red. And it's going to start at 0 and go to infinity. So it's increasing from 0 to infinity. You don't include the endpoints. And then decreasing, I'll go ahead and do them black. And decreasing starts here. And it's -2 to 0. And then constant is anything less than -2. So it's minus infinity, -2. Is it even, odd, or neither? Even is y-axis symmetry. And you can see that's not the case. Odd is origin. And you can see that's not the case. So this would be neither. List the coordinate points. Locals are just hills and valleys. So it says maximum, I'm looking for a hill. There is only one hill. And local minimum, that's a valley. There's only one valley. And if I'm looking for absolute, what's the biggest value it gets is 44. It's the y value. You could write at x equal -2. And the absolute minimum is the lowest it gets. That includes the endpoint. So it is -145 at x equal -5.